Hello everyone, welcome to our second video on a beginner's guide on how to Twinmotion. Let's start with controls and navigation. If you press W, you can go forward, A to go backward, S and D to strafe left and right. Next, Q and E lets you to hover up and down, Q goes up, E goes down. Holding right click gives you the pan capability. Now, of course, all of these three can be done at the same time, right? Now, at first, it will be very difficult to maneuver around Twinmotion, but with experience, everything will become easier. Now, we can also increase the movement speed by pressing 1. Look how slow we are. If you press 2, we're going to go a bit faster. And if you press 3, so fast. Lastly, number 4, and we'll become sonic fast. Let's go back to number 1. Nope, number 2. If you press shift, you can actually increase your movement speed slightly, so it's kind of like sprinting. Now, we can also phase through objects, walls, and elements. We can also phase through the ground. Clicking the gear icon here would also give us more options depending on which software we are used to, like Twinmotion, Unreal Editor, Revit, 3ds Max, or any of these options. But of course, it would be a good habit to focus on Twinmotion control itself. Next up, this one. We can change the medium of our navigation over here if we want to use a gaming pad. Look at here. Then next is a touchpad. Lastly, if you press this button right here, it will temporarily hide this panel. And if you want to bring it back, let's click this eye icon here, this button here, and show navigation. Alright. Lastly, if you press M, it's going to change our view from air to ground, making it easier to navigate since we're simulating a walking person. And still, 1, 2, 3 also works here. If you press 1, shift, number 2, and shift, 3, and shift. 4 also still works, but it's our shortcut key to go back from walking to flying. If I press 4, we're back to flying. Now, let's press back M again and go to number 2. With walking simulation on, unfortunately lost our capability to phase through walls. Now, let's press M again or number 4 to go back to flying mode and press E or Q to hover up and down. Alright, so I guess that's it for this video. Next up, I'll be explaining Twinmotion's user interface. So, for questions and suggestions, please do comment below. And if you find this tutorial helpful, do support me by liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much, guys.